Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications for your Nubia Red Magic 7S. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store, find app called Notify Buddy, select it and download it. Right here click on the open, then move on to the next step, grant 3 permissions to your app. And last, right here is battery optimization, which you can disable, but it's optional and I wouldn't do it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now move on to the next step, and from here we can start using this app. You can see the user. Here pick any apps to allow for custom LED lamp notifications. In the system there's all system-bound apps. In active you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen. Click on the test button to see your LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.